Hey YouTube, tiny little update here. I got some new cells to build a new battery for the Nvx Ram. This is what they are. These are 2.85 amp hour cells. And I have 100 of them. 20 per box. And there's 4 more boxes in there. But yeah, I can't wait to use these. Supposedly 4 of these cells will start a car. So, I mean, it's not very big. 150 amp rated cells. Only thing with these is they are not easy to assemble. On the back, you just have a flat, smooth pad, and on the top, like a little tab that sticks up. But you'll see how I build with these, so I'll make sure to do video. Thanks for watching.